Global Message webpage part 2. Society is familiar with what they know and what they have learned as a child. In order to portray anti-racism, we need to display images that viewers will recognize, stateside and abroad. Everyone are familiar with college students. I've chosen to use images of college students for two main reasons. Everyone wants their children to grow up in a safe environment, and college students are our future. Inform, teach, and give them an anti-racism strategy, and they can ensure the message will go viral. American and Brazilian students know what racism is, and they have a voice to be heard. This is the American anti-racism portrait. The logo is "United Together, we can make a difference." This is the Brazilian anti-racism portrait or image. And again, the logo is "United Together, we can make a difference." It is important to capture the viewer's attention with the idea you are trying to portray. Racism is the idea we want to prevent. In these images, it shows young individuals coexisting together. It portrays racism is not an issue in their lives. The visual and emotional appeal in both these images is anti-racism. We want to destroy the negative impact of racism by portraying a diverse group of individuals. As stated before, our logo is "United Together, we can make a difference." These images is selling peace and nonviolence. And this ends my presentation of the second part or part 2 of my project.